In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a free credit card for yourself. So without wasting much time, click on the first link in the video description to be taken to this page right here where you see a whole lot of things written about this particular platform right here. What you need to do over here is to click on where it says get your free VCC now, which stands for virtual credit card now. Get your free virtual credit card now. So you then click on where it says register, and as you can see, you'll be asked to fill in a couple of details right here, which is first your full name, your username, an email address, and also a password for yourself. After doing that, click on where it says sign up. Click on where it says sign up to be able to create an account for yourself on this particular platform. So I already have an account, so what I need to do right here is to click on where it says login, provide my details, and then also log into my account. Yes, and after logging in, you can see this page right here, and this right here is my credit card. Yes, so also after you have also registered an account on this particular platform, you'll be rewarded with a free credit card. So this right here is the dashboard of the platform, and this right here is my credit card, and as you can see, it bears my name over here. One thing also about this particular website is that you can change your card to any card you would like for yourself. You can change this card to any kind of card, being it a Visa card, an American Express, or even a MasterCard. So for the start, you'll be given a MasterCard. So you then click on where it says choose card system, and then you can change right here to Visa card, and as you can see, it has successfully changed right here. So now I click on that again, choose to American Express, and as you can see, the details keeps on changing as well as the card name also. So I prefer the MasterCard, so then click on MasterCard, done, and as you can see, this is my MasterCard details right here. This is my MasterCard details right here. One thing also you need to know about this particular platform is that you can freeze and then also block your card. You can freeze and block your card. So should in case maybe you have screenshot the card and then someone sees this screenshot and then uses the card or wants to use the card for anything, you can then freeze that card or block the card, and then you choose a new card system for yourself. So this particular platform does not allow you to actually make deposits on this card. So what you need to do to add funds to your account is to click on where it says add funds, and you need to perform these few taxes right here, and you get rewarded $1 per tax you complete. $1 for each and every tax you are able to complete on this particular platform, of which you can actually use that money for any purchases you'd want to use it for. Yes, so this is how you can be able to get a free credit card for yourself. So do not forget to click on the first link in the video description and also create an account for yourself in order to create your free credit card. Yes, in order to create your free credit card. So click on the first link in the video description, go ahead and then do that. Also, do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe to this channel for more amazing content such as this one. Thank you for watching.